Good day, everybody. My name is Dr. Allan Armitage, aka Dr. A, and well, many of you know me. I know many of you, and we've crossed paths here, there, and everywhere when we're talking about plants. And we're so fortunate that we live in an environment where we can enjoy these plants. They bring joy. Let's face it, we have something, as whether it's growers, whether it's garden centers, or just anybody, we have something that very few others have. We always have something to look forward to. This is key to why we are so successful. And reason I'm talking to you today is that, of course, I love Beacon Impatiens. It's been a great plant. It's just solved a ton of problems. We just love Beacon. But what Pan American has done with Beacon is they shine the light on wonderful charities that perhaps many people do not know. And when I say they shine the light, this is the Beacon, and the reason I'm here, they're shining the light on, it's not mine, but a small charity, I suppose, called Extra Special People, which isn't so small if you are benefiting from it. Extra Special People is out of Athens, where I'm from, Watkinsville, Georgia. Come visit, you'd love it. But this is so fabulous. We have people moving from all over the country so that they have a program for their children and for the parents of disabled children, kids with Down syndrome, kids with problems. And I'm so blessed. My children are healthy, but I am so into this charity because they do so many great things. Let me tell you, so if you want to go to ESP and you want to have your child there, they have playgrounds, they have camps, they even have a little baseball field. They have something called Java Joy. This is the coolest thing. I had people in my garden and I asked ESP if they would bring essentially their coffee wagon, and the kids, with their smiles from ear to ear that would do anything for you, are serving you coffee. Okay, so this isn't the Susan Komen Foundation, I get it. But there are thousands and thousands of kids who are benefiting from this. Well, not thousands yet, but certainly thousands and thousands of parents. And I want to say thousands of people like me who are inspired because this small, and it's getting bigger and bigger all the time, it's expanding to different cities, is helping so many people. So I'm not here to tell you about ESP, I'm not here to tell you about Beacon, but I am here to tell you that Pan American Beacon is doing something not only for us as growers, but it's doing something that brings joy to so many people. So if I tell you to go out and buy Beacon, you're not just buying a good Impatiens, you are buying joy. And boy, that is priceless. So I hope you will get behind this program. There's nothing to get behind except buy some Beacon Impatiens. It's a great plant. It's just a great thing. And I hope you come and visit and see what they really do. This is Dr. A signing out. I got places to go and things to do, and I'm going to go see ESP.